Hi, I wanted to talk about a project that I've been working on that is now available. It's through Packet Publishing. It's called Beginning Swift, Master the Fundamentals of Swift 4. It's a great introduction and covers a lot of the material that you would see in the intro to app development with Swift, but goes into more details for things like control flow, functions, classes, structs, collections, things like functional programming and lazy operations. I'm really happy that the product has come out. It's been a great project to work with Packet Publishing. It's my first time doing anything like this with them, and so I'm really excited to announce it. Right now it's on sale for $10, so head on over, check out the link below, and buy it now. Buy it for your friends, buy it for your family, buy it for your neighbors. I don't know how long that price will be at $10. The retail price is $199, so I would take time now and go check it out. Thanks again for subscribing to my channel, and these are the types of things that I really enjoy. I'm glad that I can do these things for you, but occasionally I do need to make some money, so it would be great if you could support me in this and let people know. Thanks so much.